Random tools. Random tools can randomize some values of geometry in the viewport. With these tools, we can add more realism into our objects. First is a jitter tool. I'll show you how jitter tool works on these shingles. But before, we have to create some fixed UCS work plane on this roof. So I will use UCS face on this. So click on this roof with UCS face, and fixed work plane is created lying on the roof. And now just apply jitter tool on this fixed work plane. So when it is applied, we can adjust with a parameter. Jitter tool works in two basic modes: points and objects, which means it will randomize points or objects. In objects, we can now randomize moving of the objects along X, Y, and Z axis. So I'll show you X axis, Y axis, or Z axis. Okay. Next parameters are rotating parameter. We can rotate along each axis. So H is rotation, as we can see, along X axis. Pitch pitch is rotating along Y-axis, and bend is rotation along Z-axis. So we can randomize movement of the elements and also rotation of the elements. And last parameter is a scale parameter, so we can randomize size of the objects. Next random tool is a select random. It works with three modes: points, polygons, and objects. We can set ratio, which means how many percent should be selected. Let's say 20%. So in points, 20% of points are selected now randomly, or 20% of polygons are selected randomly, or 20% of objects are selected randomly. This tool is quite slow, so it is better to randomize more complex object with a next tool, which is surface random. And so I will use the previous shingles, and we can use a next random tool, surface random, on this tool. And with surface random, as it is named, we can randomize surfaces on existing objects. So we can switch between polygons and objects. In polygons, we will randomize each polygon separately, and in objects, the scene will be divided into connected objects, and we will randomize surface on each object separately. So we can set how many surfaces will be randomized. So we can set even maximum 5 surfaces and minimum 2 surfaces. For each surface, we can assign the existing surface or create new one. We can edit the color of the surface, and we can change ratio between surfaces. How many percent of surface 1 and surface 2 should be selected. So if I select 10% of blue, so there will be only 10% and rest will be this red one.